Hey there, creators and tech explorers! Today on BlackSattai AI, we're diving into something that sounds like science fiction, but it's real. It's called Kling AI, and it lets you create cinematic videos with nothing but a sentence. No camera, no editing, no crew. Just type a prompt and boom, Kling generates a video in seconds. And I'm not talking about static images stitched together. These are actual moving visuals, like a person walking, birds flying, or a street scene with camera angles and lighting. So what exactly is Kling AI? Kling is an AI video generation model from Kuaishou, the team behind one of China's biggest short video apps. It's kind of like Runway or Pika, but faster and way more cinematic. You give it a text prompt, like a monk walking through the forest at sunset, and it creates a 3 to 6 second video clip that looks like it came out of a movie scene. How creators can use Kling AI? YouTubers use it to create B-roll visuals, intros, or story sequences without any camera gear. Instagram Reels and Shorts creators design short cinematic loops that grab attention fast. Marketers generate quick product or lifestyle visuals for campaigns. Storytellers turn concepts into video snippets, like a lonely robot under the stars, and build visual mood boards or AI stories. What's great? Stunning video quality, smooth camera movement, lighting, shadows. Creative prompts equals unique outputs, great for mood visuals, motion posters, explainer concepts. Fast generation speed in seconds, inspires story ideas plus helps small creators build big visuals. But what's missing? Access is currently limited. Invite-only or China-based video duration is short, around 3 to 5 seconds max. No fine control over subjects or transitions yet. Prompts sometimes misunderstood, outputs vary wildly. Not ready for full storytelling sequences yet. Data and access nodes. Right now, Kling AI is in private beta. If you're outside of China, you'll need a VPN and might not be able to access it directly without an invite. It's not ready for production work, but perfect for exploration and idea building. The BlackSattai Verdict. Kling AI is powerful, exciting, and still experimental. It's not the tool you'll use for full videos yet, but for visual punch, mood shots, and AI storytelling seeds, this is next level. If you're a creator, watch this tool closely. It's not hype, it's the future knocking on your door. This is BlackSattai AI. Another tool, another truth. See you in the next one.